Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to cut a perfect square. This is a tool that every Origamist should know. I'm going to be teaching the simplest way possible. All you need for this is a piece of paper and some scissors if you want. And yeah, let's get started.
Alright, so I've got a piece of printed paper in front of me, and we're going to cut this into a square. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take this far edge and line it up to the top edge. So let's fold it up like this. And once you're done folding, you should get this point at the top, right here. And make sure that's nice and sharp. And now we want to make a fold all the way along this edge. So this is a mountain fold, so we have to turn it over and make the fold start at this point and go all the way across. Goats Valley fold up. And here we have our fold. Now we want to unfold everything. And this area right here is a perfect square.
Alright, now that we have this, we have two options for cutting this. First, we could just use the good old-fashioned way and cut along this line. Or we could do another way, which involves ripping the paper. It does require some skill, but once you get it, it's very easy and very convenient because you don't have to use scissors at all.
So to do this, we have to go up to the top of the paper, and we want to make a small tear at the top, like this. And then we want to separate the paper by holding it like this and just slowly spreading it apart bit by bit. And we have our square. If this is your first time, then you may not get such a clean cut, but the more you do it, the cleaner your cut will be.
Alright, so that's all I have for today. I hope this video was helpful to you, and yeah, in the meantime, have fun folding.